How's it going, everybody? Heading out to Oklahoma. We're gonna get Juston just a little bit more training. I'm gonna get on some doors for him, get him some leads, and then just get him a bunch of content so he can market more for InvisiLights, permanent lights, so he can scale his business. He's investing just a little bit more time, a little bit more money, so that he can set a solid foundation for himself. So here we go, leaving Salt Lake Airport here in about a half hour. Gonna go lay over in Vegas for the night, and then bright and early head to Oklahoma. So we'll check back in, guys. Have a good one. Steven with InvisiLights. Early morning, everybody. 5:30 a.m. here in Vegas. Just waiting for my Uber. About to go hit the airport. OKC, here I come. Door knocking right when I get there, so I'm gonna have to figure out this mustache. But everybody have a good day and be safe. What's good, guys? Here we go. InvisiLights made it to Oklahoma. Just gonna order my Uber, go drop my bags off, and first thing on task is to get on doors and let's snag Juston up a couple leads. So here we go. Steven with InvisiLights. I'm out of here, guys. Have a good one. Good afternoon, everybody, all InvisiLights and lights at wholesale followers. We love the support from all you guys. Just letting you guys know I'm out here in Oklahoma helping Juston, one of the contractors who installs the InvisiLights. I rolled in this afternoon. The plan is to hit the doors for the rest of the day, get him a couple leads, then bright and early tomorrow morning we're doing an install. But I'll keep you guys updated. For now, walking up to the house, gonna go slam this door and work on getting a demo. Besides that, guys, have yourself a good Tuesday. Here we go, guys. Just finished the install. She looks good and pretty. A nice house, 150 feet. Good training week. Good week. Spent time with Juston. We got this install done. Now we're just gonna see what she looks like in about three hours or so. We're gonna let her get pitch black out here. Then we're gonna step back outside, check it out. Be the first house that I've literally seen out here in Oklahoma. I've hit about 250, 260 homes. 0 houses had lights that I've seen. When I'm in Utah, different story. You're talking 1 in every 20 houses has permanent lighting. So that's my moral, that's my story, that's how we're getting down today. Steven with InvisiLights. See you guys in a few hours.